Hi everyone on YouTube and welcome to this video. Now if you clicked on this video you're going to be expecting the best grab escape on YouTube, and that's exactly what I'm going to give you. Now you've all seen those videos where they say somebody grabs you, you hold their hand and you know you might as well get married to them. You do this, you bend your elbow, you escape and all that. Well, you don't need to go anywhere else. I'm here to give you the best escape on YouTube. So, what do we do? Well, when someone grabs your wrist, the best thing to do is leave that hand where it is, okay? Get your free hand, get your finger and stick it straight up your arse. Now, why do that? Well, first of all, it's going to do two things, okay? The attacker is likely to be, you know, grossed out and run off, okay, so that's job done. And second thing is some people, I've heard, find that, you know, so it feels good. They like sticking their finger up their bum. So, win-win on two counts, really. Really, if you're into all that, you know, grab your hand, first do this, and then do this and that, then really you might as well try that technique. Now on a serious note, okay, if you want to actually escape a lock efficiently and effectively, what do you do? Well, somebody grabs your wrist, bang, in the eye. Okay, somebody's got both hands, you've got your headbutt, you've got your knee, okay, you've got your stomp kick on their instep, you've got so many things, okay. I mean, come on guys, like in the 1960s, this is what Bruce Lee was saying. If somebody does this, bang, stamp on their instep, they're going to let go. Why do you need to do 10 steps? It's 2020. Okay, why do you need to do 10, 20 steps to do one thing when, bang, a single wide jab will do? You don't. So, for the serious martial artists, you know, think Jeet Kune Do. Simple, direct and efficient, okay? That's all you need to do. For those people who think that 10 techniques is better, well, like I said, the first technique is, you know, I can't speak from personal experience, I might be wrong, but I suspect it's going to do a better job than what you're doing, okay? Just think, the guy's going to run away and you can, you know, put that up there, have a little fiddle about, and you're going to enjoy yourself, okay? So, just think guys, simple and direct is the best way. Somebody grabs your hand, headbutt, knee in the groin. Think of it like that. Anything you learn, strip it down to if it's direct, simple and practical. Okay? So, until the next video guys, I'll see you then.